Ganlo is an online platform to allow people to have mock interviews with experienced interviewers from top companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon. Ganlo provides the same experience as real interviews, and you will get real feedback in the end. Ganlo provides weekly tips and tricks to help you prepare for your coding interviews. Topics include coding questions, system design interviews, preparation tips, etc. Ganlo is a platform where software engineers can participate in mock technical interviews with software engineers from big tech companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, and more. Users then participate in 1-hour-long technical interviews using Skype and a collaborative coding tool. You can also get immediate feedback at the end of the interview. You are also encouraged to ask whatever questions you have. There are 2 reasons why our users love Ganlo so much. Number 1. Based on your performance, our interviewers will give you real feedback and advice on how you can improve. However, in a real interview, you will only get official feedback like, "You did a great job, even if you screwed everything up." Number 2. You will experience timed interviews in the exact same environment, where interviewers are looking over your shoulder while you are solving hand-picked programming interview questions. People tend to feel nervous and may fail even the simplest questions. The only way to get over nervousness is through practice. There is no general answer to this question because the mock interview service is very customized, so different candidates will definitely get different feedback. The result really varies case by case. In general, the interviewer will comment on your overall performance. Most importantly, they will point out your shortcomings and provide advice on how to be better prepared. Within 24 hours, you will receive an email with detailed feedback, including your scores. Explore more. Thank you for watching.